Second thing is, a man is doing Hajj, but his father does not do Hajj and died. And if his son performs Hajj first, will he do Hajj Badal regarding his father, and then he can do Hajj or not? See, the thing is, if somebody's father, God forbid, may Allah forgive the one who passed away, but God forbid, if he never had the intention to do the Hajj, he never said he wants to do Hajj, he never said it, then the son should do his Hajj. He doesn't need to do Hajj Badal for his father. Just make dua for his maghfirah. Make dua for him. Maybe make a nafal umrah for him over there. Don't do Hajj Badal for him. But if your father's Hajj is required and you are so poor, you're so poor that you barely are able to get money for yourself, barely you have that, then you go and make the intention of your Hajj and his Hajj both. Then you may be able to get it, inshallah, because some scholars are used to allow, and I gave the references, that if somebody is extremely in an extreme poverty and they may never be able to go to Hajj, somebody sending them to Hajj, for somebody else, they can do their own at that case. But if they have the money and it's, let's say, inheritance from father, do your father's Hajj. Or better yet, do two Hajj, once for yourself and then do it for your father, inshallah. Yours should always be the first. If you can do two Hajj, great. If you cannot ever, you may never have the means, then do yours first. And then once Allah gives you means, then you do your father's.